This cat is gonna pick which ski resort that we go to by spinning this spinning wheel. There are 440 different ski resorts on this spinning wheel, ranging from the smallest ski mountain, the Arrowhead Recreation Area with a 120-foot vertical mountain, to Park City Mountain, which has an elevation of 3,200 feet. I'm gonna take this snack and put it on the center of the spinning wheel, and hopefully Tüpfli spins the wheel when she eats it. We have a spin. The winner is 430. Let's go to our list here. What is 430 on this list? 430 is Hurricane Ridge near Port Angeles. Hurricane Ridge. Guess we're going out to Hurricane Ridge. Let's go!
Let's go!
Hey, what's up? We're here in Washington thanks to Tüpfli the cat. I'm absolutely freezing, but we're here in Port Angeles. This is the closest city to Hurricane Ridge. This is a beautiful place too. And we're about to take a shuttle up to Hurricane Ridge. About 40 minutes, so we got a journey ahead of us. So let's get on that shuttle.
Saturday and Sunday, so just want to thank you because this is an important service to our community. After 8:30, that should get us to the Hurricane Ridge entrance fee station shortly before 9 o'clock when the road is scheduled to open. Up top, the weather forecast is actually looking pretty good today. Light winds, partly sunny as we get towards the afternoon, so good there. The last key piece of information is kind of like the Polar Express with the golden ticket. These are your shuttle tickets for today. Fantastic day up there, it looks like. Some fresh snow over the week.
We're here at Hurricane Ridge. Olympic National Park just got our lift tickets. We also got tubing tickets too, so we're gonna have some fun here. A couple tows, we got a rope tow, we got a Poma lift. It's not a really big place, so there's no real lifts where you sit down and go. We kind of got to hold on, so we'll see how that goes. An adventure. Thanks, Tüpfli. Appreciate you. Let's have some fun. Rope tow kind of damages your gloves, so we got these covers here. This is sick, but my hands, like the grip is sliding a bit. Are you sliding? Grip harder, grip harder, grip harder, grip harder. All right, turn out. Come this way. Yeah, you really gotta grip hard on that. I don't know, this is our first time.
Okay.
This is our first time too.
Yeah.
We're trying to stay away from the stuff that's crazy, but yeah, let's make our way down. I don't know which way to go. Ooh, this is deep down here.
Do you want to take a moment to say anything else? Because this is kind of a cool spot.
Okay, Hurricane Ridge, not conventional. Things aren't marked. We just went into those trees, had to walk out. It seems like everybody else kind of knows what they're doing around here except for us. Where do I put it? Here? Got the goggles off, fogged up,
Oh no.
snowed up.
Alright, we just got done snowboarding and skiing. It's kind of exhausting, but we're going to stop for a little lunch break here at Mountain View Cafe. This place is about to go under renovation, so this may be the last time that this place looks like this. But we're going to get some food, then we're going to go tubing next. Let's go. If you could describe Hurricane Ridge in one word, what would it be? What would it be? What would it be? What would it be?
Ever-changing.
Exhilarating.
Intimidating. Surprising. Amazing.
Oh man, Hurricane Ridge. In one word, what's inevitable?
Inevitable?
Yeah.
Nice. And what about you?
Magnificent.
Nice. Yeah, I bet you won't jump into that.
I'm coming down. My chariot right here.
Oh man, he's gotta jump. He's gonna oh, we are so in the way.
That's how we do it. Why don't you show us how the run and jump's done?
Hey,
Let's go.
pressure's on. Oh god, okay.
Hop on.
Please first.
Do whatever you want. Let's go. Heads up! Coming in behind you! Sorry. I'm filming. We got a crisscross of rope. Let's go. Before this video ends, I want to let you guys know that the next animal that will be deciding something is a dog, so stay tuned for that. But that's a wrap here at Hurricane Ridge. I'm signing off with my buddy Olaf here. We had a great time, and I want to thank you guys for watching and tune in for the next one. Peace.